guys, welcome to Bergen. Sinong Bergen? Bergen. 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 Pinoy. Smile. Smile. One, two. Magsa-shopping pa. Oy! Sandy is in the house. Sandy Mao. Long time no see. For how many years?
Tagal?
20 years.
Ano forma? Grabe siya. 20.
Welcome to Bergen, guys. This is Bergen City. Nice. Okay, we are going to explore this Bergen, beautiful Bergen.
Let's Bergenize. Let's be Bergenized.
Now I am Bergenized. This is Bergen City. Look. Enjoy the beauty and the subtle of the city. Dito tayo.
Saan tayo?
Kita ba dyan? Yan. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ano pa siya na?
Fish market nila. Wet market. On this side.
Kung gano'ng tubig.
Beautiful. Hi guys, and this is Bryggen side, and this is one of the UNESCO heritage. Very nice. With me is Sandy Mile. After 10 years.
2011.
After 11 years.
Oh, 10 years.
10 years guys, after 10 years. Accidentally, nakita ko siya dito sa Bergen.
Pakalat-kalat.
Pakalat-kalat. Tingnan mo naman, ang ganda ng kanyang lugar.
Homeless.
Homeless. Homelessly
Look at this
devoted.
one.
That is the Fløibanen. Ayan.
Olivia.
So this is the entrance. Maraming tourists. Hi.
The other place which is way hard.
So this is the queue. Guys, here's the queue. So guys, if you are visiting Fløibanen, you can have two options, me or him. Ah, charot. So, pwede kayong pumila dyan. Ayan. Bili ka ng ticket. Or, you can walk. Yan. So here you will see the beautiful buildings, the architectures, and the people. Like Chase.
Yes.
Ah,
This is one of my favorite places on earth. Actually. Because ganda.
Yes. It really is. It really is. May enjoy nyo dito guys. So, you just embrace the ambience. The vibes. Like that. See, look at this. Yes. Yes. Hello. Yes. This is June. Lakad-lakad.
Lakad-lakad lang.
dito, enjoying the beauty of the city.
Click and subscribe.
Ayan,
to my
click and
Long's channel.
subscribe. This place is one of the coolest places I have seen. Oh, 1912, oh. Guys, look at that building. It's 1480, and maybe it was modified like 712 and 1712, 1912. Oh, look at that. Beautiful Bergen. Come and visit, guys, Bergen. May enjoy nyo. Kuha ba?
Kuha.
Kuha ba?
Parang kasi Renang di alam. You don't know him. You don't know him. You don't know him.